to bed, we're early rise, like to sleep from our lives. We get to work, we catch a lift, we have a smoke and we start pushing.
I found out that I can't have children.
We start to wake, maybe it's gonna be our day. Suddenly, we start to smile, the sun is up for a while.
Do you have any idea what happened right here in this very moment? No. What happened? Just all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we always have a good time. Whether it's hell, rain, or it's sunshine. Yeah, we're all living that good life. Whether it's hell, rain, or it's sunshine. We reached the top, we took the fall, but we laughed through it all.
One year ago today, I made a promise to myself. I'm coming back. Never stopping. Trying to cheer you up. It's not too late. You're just gonna have to deal with it. You should understand.
No matter what happens, I will stay in the family.
Yeah, we always have a good time. Whether it's hell, rain, or it's sunshine. Yeah, we're all living that good life. Whether it's hell, rain, or it's sunshine.
We'll always be friends. It's just never gonna be how it was. Except we don't speak after the big moments.
Always have a